How to turn off first posts and stories notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off first posts and stories notifications on Instagram Lite. First thing, open Instagram and here you will find your profile in the bottom corner. Click on it and then click this three lines and stop, and here you will find this one, settings, and then click notifications, and here you will find post stories and comments. Click on it and scroll down until you find this one, the last one, first posts and stories. And if you want to turn it off, all you need to do is just click off. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.